All right, we're carrying on with our RSR project. So the guys have gotten it apart, and now we've just sort of mocked up the aftermarket pieces, the metal fender flares, the rear wing, the bumpers, and then this sort of gives us an idea of the direction that we're heading and the vibe. So this is a super important part, just to kind of get everybody stoked on the project and see what we're working with. We all end up on the same page. So now we're gonna take this off, and then we're gonna start getting into cutting the parts and making the brackets. But this is sort of the very first stage where we see how stuff fits and sort of put it in our head as to how much work it's actually gonna be. So now that we got that all done, we're actually working in collaboration with Cor Motorcars on this car. So we're gonna head out and see him, and then we're gonna start finalizing some details, as interior parts and performance parts, suspension pieces. So we're gonna head out and go see him, and then we'll have a discussion about that. Morning. Can I get a grande oat milk latte?
How's your morning going so far?
Good so far. I haven't had to interact with anybody, so nobody's ruined my day yet. It'll happen though.
Are you filming?
What's that?
Filming? I just see the camera.
Oh yeah, car stuff.
I see.
Everybody's a YouTube star now.
I know, right?
That's what we got to do to pay the bills now.
Right? It's going to be fun, right?
It is.
Oh, that's a V8 and a manual.
That's a rare car.
Oh, that is very rare. Oh, hello. It's an RS4.
Yeah.
Oh, this is amazing.
You need this to be like. I'm pretty sure I can take you home.
You want to take the dog home? Oh, there's more behind there.
All the fancy cars.
Oh, that's cool.
So the guy in BC bought this from the original owner in Alberta.
Oh.
And then he did the LS3 conversion.
Oh, it's an LS3.
Brand new tranny, all the work on it.
That's amazing.
Now you can actually drive it.
Yeah. Well, the weird thing is you get in it and you're not expecting. You turn it over and it starts. It's crazy. All the trim is original to the car, and all the interior is original.
That's pretty.
That's what?
Yeah, but yeah, all the trim, like all the leather, everything is original.
Wow, the leather is beautiful.
That's crazy for this era of car, because these things usually drive to destroy.
And
Or they're super crazy nice because they've been redone.
Yeah. And no rust or anything. Like there was no metal work on the car either, which blows me away.
Can I see this thing?
Yeah,
I
sure.
need to see it.
So this thing is gonna come to you.
This is the dream right here.
Yeah, we gotta finish the.
Ooh.
You're gonna help finish the interior.
Nice.
It's 90% done. Like the interior is 90% done, but we gotta finish the dash. I've got the dash, and then you're gonna work your magic on, basically the whole dash upper and lower.
Nice.
We're gonna keep it stock because this is an 89 factory slant nose turbo.
Wow.
One owner, bought it off the original owner. It was his daily driver.
Oh my gosh.
So the car had over 100,000 miles on it. And then, I mean, it was a used car. So then I thought, you know what, if you're gonna restore something, nut and bolt, this has got to be the one, right? It has to be.
This is amazing.
Yeah, it's like one of, depending on who you believe, and which one you know, it's very hard to get an actual build number on this car, but it's the biggest number I've seen is 65 in '89, so it's one of 65, maximum 65 cars in the world.
Still cool.
Yeah, this is
Rare. So we're gonna finish the interior. We're gonna put all the glass back in. The motor's basically done. So we're gonna put the motor back in, and then it's gonna go to Andy, and we're gonna do all the underneath, like all the suspension, brakes, all that stuff. And then over to you, and then you can put all the.
I get all the tedious.
You get all the nitpicking crap. But we can do you can do the underneath the hood. Yeah, again. And then finish the interior, and then that's it. And hopefully sell it.
Which
sweet.
takes us to our next topic, the RSR.
Yeah.
What color are we doing it? Is it a full
Guards
color
red.
change? Guards red.
I thought that would be the easiest, right? Because then you're not doing. Yeah, just do a cards red. Yeah.
Sweet. Because we're pretty much have all the parts mocked up.
Yeah.
So now we just need more parts.
What do you need?
Suspension, roll bar, seats, anything that might cause us to modify anything.
Yeah. So suspension, we're using
Bolt-in, factory style stuff.
factory stuff. Yeah. So you don't have to worry about that.
Other than that, then we're gonna start cutting here.
Yeah.
Probably Monday.
Awesome.
Crash structure behind. Do you want to do something?
Roll cage.
No, like behind the bumpers. Like just a simple bar or something.
Yeah. What we can't use anything that's coming off. I guess no. It's all
It's
one
got
piece.
those
Yeah.
5 mile an hour
Yeah, yeah.
bumpers with the shock
Yeah.
absorbers.
No, that's got to come.
But we'll
off.
just put a bar in behind the bumper just
Yeah.
in case you do tap something.
Sure.
So it doesn't just fold up the whole
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. You're gonna gut the interior.
Yeah.
We're gonna redo the interior in sort of like an RS.
Carpet sort of cage.
Yeah, RSR carpet kit.
Track mats. And then the cage, right?
Yeah, I think we're gonna do a half cage in the back, and make sure we're gonna make sure it's got a harness bar as well, right?
Oh, the roof.
With the what?
Are we need a roof skin for it? I think it's gonna be faster, or easier.
What do you want to do?
I'd rather do a roof skin just so it's perfect. I think the way it'll play out, because a roof skin shouldn't be overly expensive, so the amount of time and effort is just going to be a better result at the end. Cool. We'll
All
get
right.
back to work.
Sweet.
All right.
So great to meet you. Ollie. Okay, bye Ollie. See ya.
See you guys.